Hello and welcome, my friends. Today I'm in Decatur, Indiana, and I'm gonna walk down the Rivergreenway trails and take you guys along. Here's a little diagram of the trail system. It's a great day out, very beautiful. I've been in my house all day. Wanted to get out and get some sun on my skin. As you can see, the leaves are finally starting to bud on the trees. The weather's been nicer in this past week. I noticed that the camera quality looks way better when it's bright out. When it was all gloomy, all of my videos looked dark and grainy. This is a nice little pond. Some years the fishing here is great, other years not so much. There's all kind of little clearings where you can go down and fish. It's a little trail off the main trail. Let's see where it goes. Spider webs. No spiders. Huh. An old bridge. It's falling apart. Let's hope it's sturdy. Oh yeah, these are these are rotting for sure. Look at that tree. It makes an arch. I wonder how it got weighed down. All right, this does not look safe. We're going for it. If I fall, I'll try to keep a hold of the camera. It's waterproof, so it'll be all right. I'm holding on to this fence. This probably looks crazy. Let me extend this. Oh man. Maybe I could use that as a thumbnail. All right, let's keep going. Huh. Some kind of drain. Check it out. Made it back to the main trail. Cool little adventure. Let's keep moving. Everything's flooded. Look at this. Giant puddles of the grass. Actually, you can hear it squishing. It's so saturated with water. That's a pretty tree. I like the pink flowers. Oh no. This whole area is flooded by the looks of it. Well, I won't be able to show you the rest of the trail. Wow. That's crazy. I haven't seen it like this. All kind of debris. Oh man, it's getting muddy. All right, well, let's go up on the hill and see what we can see. Not much to see, just a flooded river. Well, I'll show you the rest of the trail in another video. We could check this out though, if it's not too muddy. Don't know where this leads. Let's see. Starting to get muddy. The ground's squishing under my shoes. Looks like it might lead to somebody's backyard. Huh. Yep. Not quite their backyard, but it's like the backyard to their backyard. All right, guys. Well, I'm walking back the normal way now and not taking that little trail off the main trail. And I can show you guys a little more. No vehicles or ATVs allowed. Noted. So if it wasn't so flooded, I could take you guys to Kikianga Park, which is straight that way. And I guess this is called Born Learning Trail. Here's the main sign. They call this little pond Kikianga Lake. And there's actually, I didn't mention it earlier, but there's a little boat ramp here. So if you want to bring a canoe or a kayak or anything like that, you can. You can just pull your vehicle up here and you got a ramp right here straight ahead. And you can launch your boat right here. And you can go fishing or whatever you want to do. Or just do some leisurely boating. There used to be a nursing home right over here. They just tore it down within the last year or so. So now it's just a giant open field, which I think looks way nicer because you have a lot more room. The nursing home's fence used to run straight along right around here, so you didn't have much room between the edge of the pond and the fence. All right, guys, so we went down the trail this way and it was flooded, but we can go this other way and see what's in store. It's a little retention pond over here. All the geese like to chill out in there. Look at them go. Mama's getting mad. Don't worry, Mama. I'm not gonna hurt your babies. She's hissing. So it looks like this trail must just lead straight to the hospital. All right, guys, so I've come to a crossroads. The American Legion Park is straight this way, according to this. Let's go this way. There's the hospital. All right, guys, check this out. There's another little trail off of the main trail. Trail to Woodcrest, 0.7 miles. Looks like, I don't even know what direction it's heading. I think it's going this way. Let's check it out. Nice little bridge back here. It's a cool little bridge. Loose board back there. Another trail off of this trail. What the heck? Trailception. This is a little trail off the main trail that's off the main trail. And it forks. What the heck? Alright, that looks really muddy. I'm not wearing the right footwear for that. Try the other fork. This kind of looks muddy too. Where could this lead? Ooh, deer tracks. Hey, leads to a giant open field. Wow. Okay, that's kind of cool. Let's go back to the other trail. All right, guys, we made it back to the main trail. Let's continue onward. Check it out, guys. There's a little bench on the side of the trail. How nice. In case you just can't go any further without a break. What's that? Oh, it's in memory of Doris P. Myers, 1999. Very cool. Let's keep moving. It looks like there's a bend up here, so I can't tell how long this trail actually is. All right, guys, we made it to the bend. Let's see what's on the other side. Oh, what? That giant open field area that I was in a little bit ago leads straight here. Okay, that's kind of cool. Looks like there might be another trail over there. Let's continue on the main trail. All right, it looks like we may have made it to the end finally. See what's up here. Oh, little creek area. Nice. It leads to a nursing home. Neat. There you have it, guys. I made it back to my starting point. I'm going to end the video here. I hope you enjoyed it. Have a good day.